Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring and draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use yellow color. The next one is black color. Now we use blue color. The next one is red color. Kids, now we use green color, and the last one is light green color. Now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use yellow color and draw the letter of A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we use again yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. Now we use black color. Black color. Now we draw the letter of F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. We again use black color. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion. Now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. Kids, now we use blue color. Now we use blue color and draw the letter of N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Now we draw the letter of O. O for orange. And now we draw P. P for parrot. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Now we draw W. Now we use red color and draw the letter of R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for snake. And now we draw T. T for tiger. The next one is U. U for umbrella. And now we draw V. V for van. The next one is W. Now we use green color and draw the letter of X. X for X-ray. Now we use green color. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W. T-W-O, 2. The next one is 3. T-H-R-E-E. Now we draw 4. F-O-U-R, 4. The next one is 5. And the next one is 6. Now we draw the number of 6. The next one is 7. And now we use light green color. Now we use light green color and draw the number of 7. The next one is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. And now we draw 9. The last one is 10. T-E-N. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.